Hello everyone, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in chapter 20 we are going to learn in English grammar the use of but and however. Words like but and however are used to show contrast. They help us express a change in thought, a difference, or something unexpected. These words are small, but they make your English sound natural, balanced, and intelligent in conversations, emails, speeches, and messages. But, simple and powerful contrast. But is a coordinating conjunction. It connects two parts of a sentence and shows a contrast or opposite idea. Use 1 to show opposite ideas. I like tea, but I love coffee. She is kind but strict. They studied hard, but they failed. In all examples, but connects two ideas that don't match perfectly. Use 2. Add an unexpected fact. He is rich but unhappy. I was tired but I kept going. The cake looked nice but it tasted bad. Use 3. Express limitation. You can go out but be careful. I'll lend you the money but return it soon. You may watch the movie but not too late. Example drill using but. But is used in different forms: contrast, unexpected result, limit, condition, modern life, casual use. Now here we have example sentences. I want to go but I am busy. She trained well but she lost. I agree but I need more time. I like TikTok but I prefer YouTube shorts. It's fun but also risky. But in modern English. Examples: I like your post but I think it needs more detail. This app is fast but the design is outdated. You are online but not replying. Number 2, however, formal contrast. However is an adverb used to introduce contrast in a more formal or polite way than but. Use 1. Begin a new sentence or class. I wanted to help, however I was too late. She is good at math, however she hates numbers. The idea is interesting, however it needs work. Use 2. Mid-sentence with commas. Example sentences: the trip was fun, it was however too short. He can join, he is however a bit shy. Use 3. Show contrast politely using however. Example sentences: your answer is good, however it's not complete. I appreciate your opinion, however I disagree. However sounds more professional and is common in business emails, essays, and public speaking. Here we have complete table. However, using however, forms start of sentence, mid sentence, formal tone with emotion in digital talk. Using however in example sentences: I like her idea, however it's not realistic. He agreed, he is however still cautious. Thank you, however we have chosen someone else. I tried to stay calm, however I was angry inside. Your design looks clean, however it's too slow. Difference between but and however. Word: but and however. Type: conjunction, conjunctive, verb, adverb. Use style: informal, formal, formal, polite. She is shy but friendly. She is shy, however she is friendly. Can you use both? Yes, but use only one in a sentence unless separated properly. Wrong sentence: I like it but however it's too costly. Both are not used in the same one sentence. Correct example is: I like it, however it's too costly, and this is also correct. I like it but it's too costly. Here we have choose a correct word. I love spicy food. Now you should think, I can't eat too much of it. Now but, however, or you can decide on your own after learning this whole chapter. I hope we have also here answer keys for using all of these, doing all of these exercises. See you in the next chapter.